Beautiful, nice, and natural, authentic juice. Cucumber juice in the kitchen. Again, with Chef Ricardo on the team. We're going to show you how to make this beautiful cucumber juice with some fresh mint. First of all, get a few pieces of fresh mint. You know what I mean? You can get that in the local shop or your supermarket. Don't be shy. Just go in there and tell them that to see this video on Chef Ricardo YouTube channel talking about detoxing and weight loss and all these things. Alright, so get your fresh mint and pick it off just like that, what you see I'm doing right here. Take off the leaf them off of it. So if you go in the local shop or your supermarket, you will see exactly what I'm talking about. So basically I'm going to be using half of a cucumber, and I'm going to put it straight inside of the blender with this skin, the seed, everything, because it is better for you that way, guys. And then making this kind of juice, please eat healthy, you know, very important. Now we're gonna get a piece of a ginger and I'm gonna remove the skin from the ginger. Lovely and nice. Now I have half of a lime and I'm gonna remove the skin. Just cut into 4. Now we're going to get a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. And that is lovely. You don't need any honey, sweetener, nothing. It's just natural like this. Little bit of water, not much. Just a tiny bit of water. Just to free up the blender. So simple, cover it. And we're going to make a little bit of nice for about 3 to 4 minutes. That is lovely. All right, you see something, it doesn't split, a little bit split, but it's good, very good. All right, and that is just amazing, so simple and beautiful and nice. So don't forget, remember guys, to click in the notification bell and subscribe to the YouTube channel. All right, here it is. You don't, as I say, you don't need nothing inside of it, no honey, no nothing. It's natural. Yes, that's exactly what I'm talking about right there. Anyway, so please enjoy and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave your comments in the description box. We'll have a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things will be coming from Chef Ricardo on the team. So please don't go nowhere and please watch this video. It is amazing to be in the kitchen with you guys. It's just lovely and nice. It's a very simple recipe and 100% you guys will love it at home. Stay tuned.